G'day viewers, this is a video on all of my Mistral exhaust fans and the Speedie exhaust fan. Top left we have the outdoor grill, and the bottom left is the Mistral brick wall fan. Top middle Speedie, bottom middle Mistral, top right another Mistral 250, bottom right Mistral 200mm. Let's make it. So I'm going to start off with this Mistral wall exhaust fan. I'm very lucky to own one of these. In fact, this is one of the only Mistrals I actually have in brand new condition. Get the power board over so I can demonstrate it. This one has a twin pull cord mechanism. So basically what you do, as you can see, she runs quite well. Right, so basically inside there is a stupid focus. You see here, as you see right by there's a little button where this little tab pushes onto. It's what activates the fan. Whereas when you close the louvers like that, it turns off the fan. Up to the next one, this is a Mistral exhaust fan. It's a style 5, it's a 250mm one. Lachlan Potts also has one of these. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'm going to shift the brick wall fan aside since we've done a video on that. By the way, that's the outdoor grill for it. Right, here's the Mistral 250mm ceiling exhaust fan. Let's turn it on. Works beautifully, eh? Very proud to own one of these, as a matter of fact, because they're getting rarer and rarer. Oh, don't want to do that because you'll break it. Right, another one of these in not so good condition. This one, as you can see, the plastic is faded. I need to shift some plugs, and also that cover doesn't snap on either like it should do, like that one. So here it is with the cover removed, by the way, 4 blades. Unlike its 200mm brother. Right, let's turn this one on. This one's a little bit stuffed, as you can hear. She's a little bit worn out. Bearings are a bit stuffed. I want to get some oil for this thing. Don't know how. I get some hair clipper oil. WD-40 doesn't really work for these as it doesn't last as long. Especially don't use WD-40 on ball bearings, as that's bad for them. This one, it's hard to turn off, of course. Almost stops instantly too. Right, got the 200mm version of that Mistral. This one has 8 blades, similar to a smoke exhaust fan that you see in a shopping centre. You know, those axial fans in the roof which blast out when the fire alarm goes off to remove the smoke from the building. Here's this one going. As you can hear, this thing's super powerful. Works wonders. Not got any problems with it whatsoever. This one's the best condition out of the style 5s I have. Off she goes. As you see, here's the back of it. Put that aside. Right, here's the Speedie exhaust fan. This is a Canadian made fan. Lachlan Potts has the 200mm version of this. Let's give her a run. Oh, sugar. That rattling is just the clips. That's not actually the motor. I think has really good bearings. I'll turn that off now. Alright. This one goes clockwise, by the way, not counterclockwise, unlike all the Mistral fans. We've got I've got quite a lot of fans that I'm more than happy to show you guys. There will be more railway crossing videos in the future. That's good news for the fan community, for the railway community, as most of you are probably aware that there's been quite a bit of an argument going on Facebook, Messenger, Discord and Instagram. So there will be more videos of railway crossings in the future, and trains. I'll be more than happy to make videos of trains as well, riding them, that sort of thing, because that's what this channel was originally designed for, is railway related stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll see you next time.